how to make a personalized study plan.
Hi, Jessica. How things are going?
Hi, Sally. Things are good. Just that I'm still feeling a bit lost with the university curriculum.
I have the same feeling in year 1, but things become clearer after I formulated a personalized study plan.
How do I begin to formulate a study plan?
It is not that complicated. The first thing you need to do is familiarize yourself with your graduation requirements.
Understanding graduation requirements and curriculum structure.
The minimum units required for graduation are 123 units, including your major requirements, university core courses, and free electives.
Where can I find the specific requirements for my major program?
Access CUHK, browse program information, and select your admission year and major program to see the requirements. Let us take IBBA as an example. An IBBA major student has to complete 56 to 60 units of major courses for graduation. Among the units, there are 9 units of faculty package, 32 to 33 units of required courses, and 15 to 18 units of elective courses. And IBBA students must choose at least one concentration to fulfill the elective courses requirement.
Recommended course patterns.
There are quite many major courses to complete. How do I split them within my 4-year study?
If you study carefully, you can find the recommended course pattern from the study scheme. The easiest way is to follow the recommended course sequence.
University core courses.
How about the university core courses? I found that my requirements are slightly different from my peers.
Yes, the university core requirements can be different, depends on students' majors, colleges, and education background. In general, all students have to complete 39 units of university core courses.
How do I choose the right university core courses?
You may refer to the table here. Some courses will be pre-assigned to you, while for others, you will need to register yourself.
Free electives and academic advisement report.
The remaining requirements are the free electives. Does that mean I can take any other credit-bearing courses offered by the university to fulfill this free elective requirement?
Correct, and you can check the academic advisement report from CUHK for your progress in satisfying your graduation requirements.
Filling out a study plan template.
Use a study plan template to organize your courses and credits. Start with your major program requirements, then university core courses, including language courses, general education courses, and other university core courses. Finally, allocate your free elective courses. This will provide an overall picture of your 4-year study.
Sounds helpful. This study plan gives me a clear idea of my study progress. Some of my friends are talking about pursuing a minor, a second major, or even a double degree option. How can we incorporate these into our study plan?
You can use your free electives to plan these study options. You may also take advantage of opportunities like overseas exchange programs, internship programs, and research programs. For example, if you wish to join an exchange program in Year 3, Term 1, you have to rearrange the affected courses in other terms or apply for credits transfer. When you formulate your study plan, be flexible. Pay attention to the course load and note the course offering term and prerequisites. The most important point is to make sure that all graduation requirements are fulfilled. If you need more guidance on how to enrich your study plan, you can reach out to the Learning Enhancement Officers of the Office of Student Affairs. They provide personalized guidance to help you optimize your academic path.
Sounds great! Where can I find out more about their services?
Visit the Office of Student Affairs website for details.
Thank you so much for guiding me through.
You are welcome, Jessica.